There was a time, many yesterdays ago, when humanity was new to the world, and childlike we were brave by day and full of wonder, but by night we huddled, cold and fretful, in dank, dark caves, and listened for the snap and snarl of prowling beasts, luckless under the cold stars. The Olympic fire, the great gift of Prometheus, inspires us to poetry and song. It urges us to run faster, to swim more swiftly, to throw further, to jump higher. It urges us to do our best and better. When the Olympic flame was kindled in humanity, the Welsh were blessed with an extra spark or two.